पणजेच्या ताळगाव कम्युनिटी हॉलात होम फर्निचरांचे 4 दिसांचे प्रदर्शन दवरला। घराचे सजावटीचे विविध वस्तूचे प्रदर्शन आणि विक्रो चालू आसा। लोकांचो प्रदर्शनाक उपट प्रतिसाद मेळटा।
घरात उपेगाक पडपी वस्तू, लाकडी सामान आणि हेर सजावटीच्यो वस्तू अशे विविध तरांचे आयटम विकपी स्टॉलां कम्युनिटी हॉलात पळोवपाक मेळटात। वेगवेगळ्या विक्रेत्यांनी आपापली सुमार 30 स्टॉलां लायल्यात। तांकां गिरायकांचो उपाट प्रतिसादय मेळटा। सोमारा 7 तारखे मेरेन हे प्रदर्शन चालू उरतले।
We have an exhibition fair going on here which is pretty amazing with 30 stalls in it, and we have all kind of furnitures available, right from the carved sets to the ethnic to the contemporary designs to the dining tables and the rugs, carpets, any kind of home decor under one roof. I suggest you come down and have a look, and I'm sure you'll pick up something that pleases you. And the exhibition had started yesterday, that is from the 4th, and would be ending up on Monday on the 7th. So the timings are from morning 10 till 8:30 in the night. So all of you are welcome here and have a look at this exhibition. It's amazing, pretty and very reasonable prices. So kindly walk in.
गोवा 365 खातीर श्यामचारी।